Welcome to 4-5 part 2. So when I made those lines, I was actually making a line of fit. You've probably heard these called lines of best fit, but that's not really true because you're just doing it by hand, by just kind of sketching a line in there. There is a way to find the very most absolute line of very, 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 very best fit, and we're going to learn how to do that tomorrow. But for today, we're just going to draw a line of fit, not best fit, just fit, also known as a trend line. So step one's going to be to make a scatter plot. I've already kind of labeled the axes here for us so that it would save us a little time. But go ahead and plot these. In the year 2000, it's just a little bit above 3,000. In 2001, it's almost 13,000. In 2002, it's just a little bit over 12,000. We don't know what 2003 was. In 04, it's about 11.5-ish. Then 5, it's 10.5-ish. In 6, it's a little bit over 9. In 7, it's about 7.5-ish, kind of. And in 2008, it's 5.5-ish. All right, what you're going to do now is determine if it has a relationship. So let's go ahead and draw a line of fit. I'm going to try and make sure it goes through 2 points. That's going to help me later. And it looks like it has a negative correlation. And I used looks like the points for 2002 and 2007. That's going to help me do part C, where it wants me to actually write an equation. So what I'm going to do is write those down as points. Let your X be the years and Y be the money. Then from there, I'm just going to find the slope. Remember that slope is delta y over delta x. So I'm going to end up with, I'm just going to plug it straight in my calculator here, 12,044 minus 5,471. I wrote that wrong, didn't I? Let me try that again. How about 7, 4, 5, 2. Oh, I think I wrote for 2008, didn't I? Sorry about that, folks. So 7452. All right, and the number I'm going to get is 4592. And then I'm going to do, wow, you guys, what did I do? Let's try that again. This should be 2007. Sorry about that. 2002 minus 2007 is negative 5. So I'm going to go ahead. You are going to get a decimal for this. That's just the way it goes sometimes when you're using real life. It's not nice, happy, whole numbers. Like so. And then from here, you get to write an equation however you want. So if you want to do the 3 steps, what's my slope? What's my y-intercept? What's my equation? Go for it. I think I'm actually going to use the y minus y method. Y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. And then again, you get to use whatever point you want. I'll try and use this bottom one, I think. So y minus 7,452 equals my slope, which is negative 918.4, parentheses, x minus, looks like 2007. Now I get to distribute. That's going to be negative 918.4 times x. Negative times negative is going to make a positive. And I'm going to have to plug that into my calculator here. And I'm getting 184,3228.8. And it's going to equal that. And so if I'm trying to get y by itself, I can go ahead and just add 7452 to both sides. 7452. My final equation is y equals negative 918.4 x plus 1850680.8. Quite the equation, huh? So what's cool from here is I'll actually be able to plug in some values. So when it says to estimate the sales in 2003, plug that in for x. When it says to predict the sales for 2009, again, plug that in for x. And you're going to find values that when you compare them to the table should be fairly close on. So I'm going to make actually a third video for that here in just a minute.